Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Text. So now we are going to deal with new commands. So what is the purpose of new command feature? Let's say that you have some huge chunk of text that should be repeated over and over again. Instead of typing everything every time, you could actually create one command that is short in size and you are going to put that command in every place where you have to repeat that huge chunk of text. Or you want to predefine a way of how some part of text should behave. For example, changing of fonts, changing of colors, changing of frames, and so on. And creation of new commands is actually quite simple. You're going to provide command new command. We are not going to use arguments for now. So as first argument, you are going to provide actual command name, let's say KK. And as a second argument, you are going to provide actual text that should be replaced, like this. And now, whenever I call command KK, like this, save it, I'm going to get my text, Kind Spirit Technology YouTube channel. So that's not the only thing that you could actually do. You could actually do something like this. Turn this piece of text into typewriter. Save it, and you see we have something interesting now. But if you want to make some changes to where your command is defined, you could use renew command, and as first argument you are going to provide your command name, and now you are going to change your definition. Let's say I'm going to say something like another text, and I want color to be let's say green 25%. Save it. And you see another text, it's green, but this is really a soft shade of green. Let's make it 75. Okay, this is something much better. And what about those arguments? What is the purpose of arguments with new commands? Let's say that you want to create some predefined behavior for your text. So in order to use these arguments, you are going to provide another pair of angle brackets in here and the type number of arguments you want to use. And now I'm going to change definition. So we have to provide definition for 3 arguments. I want color of my first text to be of black 40%. And now in order to present your argument, you are going to use hashtag and then index of your argument. So in here we are talking about first argument. When we call this command, this hashtag 1 is going to be replaced by text from our first argument. And now I want new line, green 75%. For second argument, now another line, blue 50% for third argument. And now I want to put some space. But now when you call this command, you would have to provide 3 arguments. So I'm going to provide some text in here, something like this. But now when you do renew command for a command that has actual arguments, you have to provide number of arguments in here. And I'm going to change some of this definition. Let's delete this. Copy to save time. We don't need this vertical space in here. Let's say yellow and red. And let's say that I want to change size of my text. Huge. footnote size, where is it? Here. And now normal size, like this. Save it. Yes, we have to provide 3 arguments for this second command. Okay, like this. Save it again. Everything it's just fine, except maybe this one more paragraph sentence, because it's really soft shade of yellow, but everything else is excellent. So guys, that's all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.